Hello, my name is AindrilaHaldar, and today I will be analyzing the random theory and talking about whether everything is truly random. So the statement that we are working with here today is that the random walk theory implies that events are random, but many events are not random. If it rains today, there's a fair bet that it will rain again tomorrow. So to understand the random walk theory, we have to define it first. The definition of it is that events unfold randomly with no discernible pattern. So what's the application of it? Many investors and analysts often use technical analysis to identify patterns in price charts indicating potential future movements for their company. And so the persistence of trends in certain stocks or sectors challenges the idea of pure randomness. The assumption here is that the future events are independent of past occurrences. And so while the random walk theory emphasizes the efficient market hypothesis and immediate reflection of information in stock prices, the presence of trends and anomalies raises the question about the extent to which markets truly do embody randomness. And so the random walk theory is concerned then with the behavior of stock prices and financial markets rather than the general events like, for example, here, the weather patterns. It implies that stock price fluctuations are random and unpredictable based on the current information rather than that all events in the world are random. So the weather patterns can be predicted using scientific models like historical data, meteorological elements. And so as a result, this statement applies the random walk theory incorrectly to unrelated events. And so let's take an example. So let's consider a tech company that has just released groundbreaking product. And suppose there is a high expectation in the market that this product will significantly boost the company's sales and revenues. According to the random walk theory, this fluctuation in the company's stock price will be random. But as we know, despite the predictability that they've already anticipated in sales, so that means there is already an anticipation in how it's going to perform. And so, for instance, if analysts predict a 90% chance of the company's exceeding quarterly earnings expectations due to the product launch, one might expect the stock price to respond very positively today. The anticipation of increased sales and revenue is then not random because, however, that it was a clear expectation. However, the stock price will still exhibit a random walk because it reflects all the available information that they had provided about market's conditions and the company's future prospects that would occur each day. In this scenario, the company's sales trajectory may follow a clear and predictable pattern, and this will be driven by the success of the new product. Still, the stock price, influenced by the constant flow of information and market dynamics, it really still sticks to the principles of the random walk theory. For businesses and investors, this is very important. Understanding this concept to navigate the unpredictability or unpredictable nature of stock prices in efficient markets and marketing and making strategic decisions based on the continuous assimilation of information by market participants. So it's just studying those patterns and just with the data that they can use to be able to make the right prediction. So the random walk theory is this is really important for them to understand that unpredictable nature of the stock market. That was my presentation. These are my image sources, and that is my reference. Thank you very much.